Staying on top of equipment data and gaining insights into component performance is crucial in the mining industry. Dingo leverages 30 years of asset health, data and experience to help miners avoid breakdowns and extend the life of components. Dingo seamlessly integrates with your existing condition monitoring providers, collecting and analysing timestamp data, identifying issues and providing the appropriate corrective actions. Onboard data, oil analysis, visual inspections, vibration, thermography, ultrasonics and more. Dingo's analytics can remove 70% of the noise to accurately determine the health of your assets. Dingo then determines the necessary actions, prioritises them and presents them to the person responsible for that asset, allowing your team to focus on improvements rather than being reactive. Accept recommendations and plan maintenance through a single platform connected to your ERP system. Track work orders to ensure effective repairs and improvements to component life. Integrating Dingo into planning and reliability processes helps save millions through breakdown avoidance and extension of component life. Experience the power of Dingo and Trakka today.